Emotional vampire. A person who drains your energy and makes you feel exhausted. She's such an emotional vampire. I feel tired after talking to her. Stay away from emotional vampires. They'll suck the joy out of you. Fake it till you make it. Pretend to be better than you are, often to deceive others. He's just faking it till he makes it, acting rich but broke. She's fake it till you make it energy, all show, no truth. Heart of stone. A person with no feelings or compassion. She didn't even cry at the funeral, heart of stone. He has a heart of stone, nothing moves him. Devil in disguise. Someone who looks kind but is secretly evil. He seems nice, but he's a devil in disguise. Don't trust her sweet smile, she's a devil in disguise. Grin and bear it. To suffer silently without showing your pain. I don't like my job, but I have to grin and bear it. Sometimes life's tough, you just grin and bear it. Fall from grace. To lose respect or reputation. The actor fell from grace after the scandal. He was once admired, but his greed made him fall from grace. Bite the dust. To fail, die, or be defeated. Another small business bites the dust. My phone finally bit the dust today. Off one's rocker. Crazy or behaving strangely. He must be off his rocker to quit that job. She's acting off her rocker today. Dirty look. A hateful or angry stare. She gave me a dirty look when I walked in. Stop giving him dirty looks, it's not his fault. Skeleton in the closet. A hidden secret or shame. Every family has a skeleton in the closet. He looks perfect, but there's a skeleton in his closet. Down for the count. Too tired, sick, or defeated to continue. After that argument, I was down for the count. He's been down for the count since he lost his job. Ugly truth. A harsh or unpleasant fact. The ugly truth is that she never really loved him. Sometimes you have to face the ugly truth. Bad mouth. To talk badly about someone behind their back. Stop bad-mouthing your friends. He always badmouths people to look superior. Dig up dirt. To find negative or secret information about someone. The reporter dug up dirt on the politician. Stop digging up dirt about people, it's toxic. Low blow. A cruel or unfair comment or action. Bringing up his past was a low blow. That joke about her looks was a low blow. Living in denial. Refusing to accept an unpleasant truth. He's living in denial about his addiction. She's living in denial about her toxic relationship. Kick in the teeth. A big disappointment or unfair treatment. Getting rejected after working so hard was a kick in the teeth. Losing that job was a real kick in the teeth. Cold shoulder. To ignore someone on purpose. She gave me the cold shoulder after the argument. He's been giving me the cold shoulder all week. Dead inside. Feeling emotionally numb or hopeless. After all that pain, I feel dead inside. He jokes a lot, but deep down, he's dead inside. Drama queen. Someone who overreacts or makes a big deal out of small things. Don't be a drama queen, it's just a small mistake. My sister turns every small issue into a scene, total drama queen. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.